People say it is about power. You know as a kid it is about violence. Yet of course I can't remember a time when I wasn't aware of violence. Extraordinary and powerful and alarming and dismaying violence, which has led to the devastation of so much. If they saw beautiful things, if they saw orchids and hummingbirds and butterflies and roses, if they saw the morality, if they saw a little boy sitting on the banks of a river, if they saw the almighty power that created nature. Because of these reasons, we are in the situation that we're in. And then you suddenly see if you can strip away human activity, the world is amazingly beautiful. Paradise. I mean, gorillas are fascinating because they are so like us. And I can imagine what it's like to be a gorilla. And, I mean, I really can. And I think they accept us in a curious way. But you realise that there's a whole aspect of life, of the quiddity, the essence of life. But it's when you sit concealed in a hide and you see the complexity of the natural world going on with these extraordinary manifestations which strike you subjectively as being amazingly beautiful. There is one of the most extraordinary plant products. It's one animal that I don't need to sneak up on. Ooh. This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf, and this is just about as fast as it can move. That's what's going to happen to you if you live on nothing. That's what's going to happen to you if you live on nothing but leaves. It's a sloth. It's not exactly an enthusiastic leaf eater. A couple of half-hearted chews, and the leaves go straight down to its stomach. Leaves, however, are not easily digested. The sloth's technique is to give them time. Then, eventually, this mobile compost heap pulls itself together and starts on a long and dangerous journey. This is a very unusual sight. A sloth in a hurry. It wants to defecate, and the only place it's had to doing that, oddly enough, is down on the ground.